Well, you know what I'm called because you and Patty would be up here and trying to Lori was. And, oh yeah. The pie crust makers are all over. Oh, I'm sure.
Pretty good, Chloe stuff. And we flour the surface. And dump all that over here and make a lovely little ball. Ball of dough. Squish. Squish.
What did Megan say? Nothing.
Lightly dust with flour and roll it out. And we roll it. We go back and forth gently but even pressure and perpendicular directions until we get really thin. It's about like a 1/16 of an inch thick. And then gently, we need to use a spatula.
Yeah, he is. He knows that he, you know.
Alright, we fold it halfway once and then halfway again. Make sure you put flour in between real good so it's nice and protected. When you unfold it, put it on your pie plate. So this part right here is the middle of the pie plate. Then gently unfold one way and the other way. If it cracks, it's okay. We will fix it in a moment. It's warm in here. That's all that means for now. We got ice water. We can fix anything. Squish it together gently. Boop, boop, boop. All these beautiful things on the edges are wonderful because we're going to crunch it. Sorry. And Mom's better at this than me, but that's okay. Bloop. How does she do it like that? I've never been good at the crimping thing, but all good. Okay, all the way around, and then we can pause for a moment. Okay.
And we are crimping and pinching, and you put it between your fingers, and if some falls off, you can just stick it back on because it's got plenty of shortening in it. And you just crimp and turn and crimp and turn and crimp and turn. Anything that's hanging over the edge after we're done crimping, we're going to just cut it off so it doesn't burn around the outside edges. But crimp. I like more crust, so I make an extra wide crust so we have some hanging down and we have some to fold up, and you get a bite of crust with your pie. And it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be crimped. There we go, and there's another one, and we've made it back around to the beginning and there. So if you have any left under here, you can just cut it off. There's one, and there, and that's it. And you have a crimped pie crust. So if you have any excess pie crust, you can put that in a cookie sheet and sprinkle some cinnamon sugar and just bake it till it's lightly brown. And then you have some yummy, yummy cinnamon sugar pie crust to eat.